Good morning, beautiful people out there. Today I want to make this simple homemade torchlight. Very simple. So yeah, I just get some components, then assemble them together as usual. So here is the schematic diagram. This is the battery, this is the charging module, this will be the toggle switch. Then I decide to put the preset in series. You can use the volume or potentiometer. Then here are the two LED I plan to use. So let me bring them together so you can see it. This is the charging module. Yeah, that is the one here. Then here is the battery, the one here. The switch, here's my switch. Then here's the switch. So the switch will be here. Then my preset. Here's this preset. The purpose of this preset is to adjust the brightness of the light. It's not necessary, it's not compulsory. You can skip this one, but if you're skipping this one, at least you use some resistors, like at least 120 ohms to reduce the current entering the LED. So this one will be used to adjust the brightness of the LED, so that we reduce the current entering the LED. So here are the LEDs. The various LEDs I purchased. So I'll be using 2 out of these 4. So I'll be mounting them to this heat sink so that they will last longer. It's supposed to be a single heat sink, but unfortunately I don't have enough, so I have to break it into 2 so that I can mount 2 separate LED into 2 of them, because I want to position them in 2 different places. Alright, so watch out. So I'll start with the connection now.
It's young Fred, the dangerous producer.
Okay, the module has been connected to the battery, so let me test it first by charging it. Okay, yeah, here it is. It's charging. So when it's full, the light will change to green. There's still another LED for the indication of full battery. Okay, so let me continue with the connection. Okay, so I've done the connection. Now I'm testing. Currently charging. Okay, so let me give a brief explanation of how it is connected. Though if you are good in, if you have basic electronic knowledge, know how to analyze or interpret circuit, I don't need any other explanation for giving out this schematic. But for the sake of the newbies who can't interpret the circuit, let me give a brief explanation of how they are connected. Okay, so this one is the charging module, which is here. Then this one is the battery, which is here. So the battery and the charging module are directly connected, which is the positive to positive and the negative to negative. Okay, so here is the positive. It goes straight to the positive terminal of the battery. Then the negative side goes straight to the negative terminal of the charging module. Then the LED connection, before the LED is connected, it is interrupted by switch. The switch is connected in series with the LED. It's not directly connected. The switch second terminal doesn't go straight to the LED. It still goes straight to a preset. So here is the symbol of the preset. Here it is. So one leg of the middle leg of the preset go to this switch. Then as it is here, middle leg of the preset, or any of the leg can go to the switch. Then you loop the middle leg and one of the leg to the third leg, as I just did here. So the middle leg to one of the leg are looped together. Then the output of the second leg of the preset go to the, sorry, my hand is interrupting. The second leg of the output now go to the LED. So here are the 2 LED, one here another one here. So I connect the two LED in parallel just as they are here, positive to positive, negative to negative. Then the positive leg go to the preset, and then the negative leg goes straight to the battery negative terminal. Okay, so here it is. I'll turn it on. Oh, sorry, yeah, there. So I turn it on. As you can see, it's very low now. So that is because I have reduced the current entering the bulb through the preset. So if I want to increase the current, I have to adjust the preset. So yeah, as you can see, it's increasing. Yeah. Okay, right now I've adjusted it. It's in the highest now. It's very, very bright. Okay, so I turn off the light. You can see. But because everywhere is still bright, so it's not making much effect, but it's very, very bright. Yeah, it is.
Is young Fred the dangerous producer?
Here is the switch for off on. Then this one for charging. So you can still charge and use. It doesn't affect the bulb when charging. So here it is when I couple it fully. The final product. You can see it's very, very bright, and it's still daylight, so it's not even 98, but still very, very bright. Okay, side are working. So for easy adjustment, this potentiometer will do a better job. This potentiometer will do a better job for easy turning of the brightness, but I feel it is a bit bulky, so I decided to use the preset, but the preset is not tuning properly, but still manageable. But this one will give a better tuning, this 1K potentiometer. That is all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with friends, comment and like. Do have a beautiful day.